are a vehicle intelligence company, and we collect data from different components of the vehicle and then process them for optimizing the vehicle performance. Essentially, we are into the battery management systems because the lithium-ion batteries require a very sophisticated intelligence-based systems for their management. Then we are also into the smart chargers, which always interact with the batteries for their charge, for optimization of the battery life and charging profiles. We are also into the IoT, where the data that is generated is pushed onto the net, and then that is analyzed for again optimizing state of charge, state of health for different batteries and other related parameters. Veclocon also has a vertical where we do the FinSights, which is we provide intelligence to the finance companies for asset optimization, asset security and related preventive and predictive maintenance. The third vertical that we have is the FinServe, where we have tied up with different vehicle companies to provide services through what we call the FOTA, wherein we can analyze whatever the faults that are occurring with the vehicle online and then provide solutions. So these are the various solutions that we actually provide to the electric vehicle landscape. In terms of new products which are different from the market, we have just launched today what we call the 750 watt smart chargers, which is an essential need for the two-wheeler industry. We also have launched the active balancing, because when you charge so this is an active balance BMS, which while the vehicle is running, it will also keep on balancing the cells to optimize the battery performance.
Okay.
We have functional safety products which actually provide much greater automotive grade safety for the battery components and the related vehicle components.
Means by using this, you can, while a vehicle is on the run, so simultaneously it can help in getting.
It will keep on balancing each cell.
Each
because
cell.
कोई cell
So
ज़्यादा
shouldn't
हो
the
जाता
burden shouldn't come on a single cell or on some particular
complete.
cells?
So you keep on discharging the batteries in a very functional way, in a very different profile.
Only one thing that disposable of lithium ion batteries. So since the moment EVs come into India, and lithium itself is a very hazardous material, so how you are going to manage that?
So you see, you have seen companies like Loham who are over here. Now these are the companies, it is not a problem, it is an opportunity in India, because from these lithium ion batteries you can recycle the metals. Up to nearly 99% of the metals can be reclaimed and then converted back into lithium ion cells. So it is not a problem, it is an opportunity that is being explored, and new companies are coming up in this regard.
For the renewal of the lithium ion battery.
Recycling of the
Recycling of that.
battery component.
Thank you, sir.